everybody, I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and today we are hanging out at the beach, and it is a beautiful day here in Southern California. And behind me I have the awesome Ford Transit. You guys have seen this in a lot of the other videos as far as our Transit Takeover series, and I'm super excited to announce the lift kit is now here for this. Let's jump into this kit, show you guys what it's going to consist of and what it's all about. I mean, right off the bat, you can look at this awesome set of Method 702 wheels. I mean, these are going to look amazing, and they are wrapped in a BFG KO2, and these are actually a 265/75/16 tire shoved in this very small wheel well that Ford just didn't really plan on anybody putting bigger tires on it. But you know us over at WeldTec Designs, we have to run bigger tires, we want more. So what this kit is going to consist of is it's going to consist of a new lower control arm, and it's also going to consist of a upper spacer, which is all machine billet 6061. I wish I could show you all of these beautiful parts. There's going to be another follow-up video that's going to show all the details of this kit, what it consists of, how to put it in, and why you're going to want it. So being from California here on the coast, this is the new Coastal Cruiser lift kit. This is a 2-inch lift kit for your Ford Transit. I know that you guys have been asking for it for a long time, and now here it is. So I don't know if we've got anything else to really go over. I got all the kids here. What's up? They just want to go and play on the beach. Am I missing anything? What else would you guys like to know? Make sure you guys comment below. I will be sure to answer all of these questions on here. I got Caden here from Growing Up Garage. No, he's not. They just want to go play. So something super, I'm really excited to show you this, guys. And I would love to tell you that this is going to be the last product that we make for the Ford Transit, but I got lots more to come. So I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs. See you guys in the next video.